We left the hideaway and we're making our way. We drove up to check out the Tater Knob tower. It's supposed to have some good views. The tower is closed, but we're just going to go up to the tower and see what kind of views we have of this area. But so far we haven't seen anybody. It's almost like we have this whole area to ourselves, which that's kind of cool. Here we go. What's this say? B?
Do you have any mace or anything in case you see a bear?
No. Construction at Tater Knob. Okay, I guess when they were building this, the park here, 1934 they built it. Here's a map of where we are. But I think we are staying, I don't think it's on this map, but there's some info on the tower. Some steep cliffs here. Well, I guess as per usual, people leaving their garbage out here. That's too bad. Unless people have just collected all this trash from the trail and decided just to drop it off here, hoping somebody else would pick it up. Check this out. Looks like a little spring comes out from this. I can barely read this. It says something about if these rocks could talk. Well, these rocks ain't talking, they're just rocking. We're taking the steps up to the tower. That other trail along that rock face wasn't going anywhere, I don't think. Just past the cool rock wall and some terribly littered garbage. Whew. And more steps. Yeah. Okay. What? More graffiti?
Oh, this is cool, baby. Check this out before we go up.
Oh, cool. Can you get down there? Cool. Crack. I think this goes to that little trail that I saw going down. Guess that's where we're heading. And more steps. This looks like the last little bit of steps. It is, it is. Well, there might be a few more. Oh man, what a view. Look at this view.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty tremendous. Okay, this is probably the, well, no, there's still more steps. Wow. Looks like Michelle's already made her way up. And more steps. The price you pay to get higher. Tower's closed. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to get up there anyway. There's someone was saying it was old and rickety. Yeah, I took the steps down, so you can't get up there anyway. There it is. Let's see. It's a nice view. Can you all see that in the distance from up here? That was a nice little trip. Check out. Pretty much it's right off the road and a short walking distance. But you'll feel it when you walk up all those steps. But I'd recommend this just for the views. Really? All right. Yeah, I wonder how high up we are. It's pretty high up. I guess they have to get the highest point for a fire tower. Let me go first. Okay. How steep that is, everybody. There we go. The wooden steps. Just about back at the car, and that was the Tater Knob fire tower. Of course, you can't make it up to the tower, but Tater Knob's pretty cool with the views all around. So when you're down here, maybe check that out. You're driving down to the lake. What? The buckskin? What's it called? the Buckskin Trail Connector. We were on our way down to check out the boat ramp, one of the boat ramps, but they've got it blocked off. But this trailhead parking lot was open. And Michelle said, hey, let's check that out. She wanted to get her hikes in. Look. Okay. We hear some water down there. Don't know if it's a waterfall or if it's just some water's going over some little rocks, making it sound like something. I don't know if this trail will have access to it. It doesn't sound like a waterfall, it just sounds like water going over a bunch of rocks. Little fork in the road. Buckskin Trail. The Sheltoe Trace, 10 miles. Zilpo Recreation Area, half mile to the right. We're gonna go to the left and check out some water.